Hello kids, today in this video we'll learn alphabets from A to Z, both in capital letters and small letters. So without much ado, let's get started. So first I'll take red color to write the first line, okay? So this is capital letter A. So this is A for apple. B for boy, B for boy. C for cat, C for cat. D for donkey, D for donkey. E for eagle, E for eagle. F for fish, F for fish. G for grapes, G for grapes. Now I'll take green color to write the second line, okay? So after G it is H, H for horse, H for horse. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for jug, J for jug. K for king, K for king. L for lion, L for lion. M for monkey, M for monkey. N for nurse, N for nurse. Now I'll take yellow color to write the third line. So after N it is O for orange, O for orange. P for peacock, P for peacock. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rabbit, R for rabbit. S for sun, S for sun. T for tomato, T for tomato. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. And for the last line I'll take blue color. So after U it is V for van, V for van. W for watermelon, W for watermelon. X for xylophone, X for xylophone. Y for yacht, Y for yacht. Z for zebra, Z for zebra. So hence we have completed our alphabets in capital letter. Now we'll learn alphabets in small letters. So here also I'll take red color to write the first line, okay? A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for gate. Next I'll take green color to write the second line. After G it is H for house. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey, M for monkey. N for nose, N for nose. Next I'll take orange color. So after N it is O for orange. P for peacock, P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. And Z for zebra. So hence we have completed our alphabets both in capital letter and small letters. I hope you have learned something from this video, kids, and if you like it, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.